The pocket battleship Graf Spee has been terrorizing Allied shipping lanes for months, a ghost in the vast ocean.
Keep sharp lookout. Hunting Group G is closing the net. She has to be out here somewhere. Smoke bearing red, 1-0. It's the Graf Spee.
Get those pumps running!
Right, sir! Hold deep to the left side!
Pressure dropping! We're losing the line!
Hold it together!
Keep it pointed into the swell!
Another blast coming!
Brace for it!
Dear God. We're not gonna make it.
Destroyed fuel system. 72 hours.
These reports confirm the ship is in no condition to sail. We need more time for repairs.
Nonsense! The repairs are finalized.
Believing he faces an overwhelming armada, the captain takes his ship out for her final voyage.
Rather than sacrifice his crew in a hopeless battle, Langsdorff orders the ship scuttled.
The Battle of the River Plate ends not with a bang against the enemy, but a calculated decision to save lives.